Jai Shri Krishna friends, welcome to my YouTube channel for motivation of success. Friends, we must learn to live in today if you really want to be motivated for better tomorrow. If we do not understand and do not live today, and today we have all miseries in front of us of the past, then tomorrow will also, or the coming time will be also be miserable. And you may not have motivation to do better job. A calm mind does a better job than unrested mind. Well friends, this is a motivation video for you, and if you can take any advantage from this and you feel happy, give thanks to God Krishna or Jesus, to whom you pray for your motivation. You need not have to thank me. And if you want any type of, if you have any question answers, you can put it in the chat box, and if possible for me also, I will reply back to you. Let's start this upload with a small prayer to God Krishna. Vasudevam Sutam Devam Kamsachanurmardanam Devaki Paramanandam Sri Krishna Vande Jagat Guru Sri Krishna Sharanam Gopal Sharanam Sri Krishna Sharanam Gopal Sharanam मेरे बाके बिहारी नंदलाल शरणम मेरे बाके बिहारी नंदलाल शरणम बोल भगवान श्री कृष्ण की जय श्री नंद के लाला की जय श्री देव की नंदन श्री कृष्ण की जय श्री द्वारकाधीश भगवान श्री कृष्ण की जय बोल देवादिदेव पूर्ण ब्रह्म भगवान श्री कृष्ण की सदा ही जय. Jai Shri Krishna Bhakto, good day to everyone, all the friends who are here with me to or listening to this video, the chat. We are always, we do not listen with fullness. It is said we are absent-minded, and that is why we miss the important lesson of life. And when we miss the important lesson of life, we feel unhappy and miserable. Friends, this is the thing which I must tell you, that one should not get carried away with anything which carries mysteries or mysterious feelings, and which makes us happy. You should not carry your or remember your bad thoughts. Those thoughts will always put you in depression. They will always create problem for you. There are two types of mysteries in one's life. There is a mystery of truth, which is very, very mysterious, because future is very dark. So we do not know what is going to happen. So it is a mysterious truth. But everybody knows that when the sun rises, do we know that today by the end of sunset, everybody will be okay in your family? Will I be alright without any this thing? Is there any guarantee that I'm talking to you today? Tomorrow, is there any guarantee I will talk to you tomorrow? So, there is a mystery of illusions. We start dreaming that if we do this and we start planning out and dream, such thing will happen. And what we lose practical life period. And in that dream, we make lots of plannings, how to be happy, how to do this. We pass a resolution that I will get up in the morning, will do exercise and all that, but suddenly you are not able to get up early in the morning. So it is called a illusion of Maya, a world like a magician which if you go in you see a magician, he creates a certain illusions and you feel that you are there. Like you go to the USA, in some big movie makers, they have made 4D, 3D Harry Potter's shows. In that Harry Potter show, when you sit down, because I was there in United States, you feel that you are flying with Harry Potter, and wherever he meets with an accident or any such a circumstances, a danger, we also used to feel we are in danger. And this is how this world is. Everyone moving in this world moves in a illusion. It's a created of jiggery, and it's a mysterious world in which we do not come to know what will happen tomorrow. And some people, they are caught in or her illusion so much, the whole life they goes behind to fulfill that illusion. Example, I'll give you an example. Alexander the Great, Hitler, Napoleon, Bhisham Pitama, and Shakuni of Mahabharata. All of them had the illusion, and to fulfill it, they made their personal life miserable. You read the life of Napoleon, he was always having so much of wealth, everything was there, but always he was on a battlefield. He never rested in his life. And what happened? When he died, he said, "Keep my hands out of my dead body's hand, out of my grave, so that people can see that I have gone empty handed, though I collected so much of wealth." Why? Because he had a motivation to conquer the world and to become one of the king of the universe. So we should avoid such illusions. Everyone should know that if our illusions, our things are not fulfilled, we will be part of depression. And if we will be a part of depression, what will happen is we won't be successful in life and we will be landing in some problem or the other. Everyone knows dreams are false, but it carries real effect on our life. In movie, if we go, we know that hero or heroine is falsely crying or is in danger, but we fall and misunderstood, and we are under illusion and we start crying also. It's the same thing. If we mistake a rope for a snake, we might get a heart attack, and it's a false illusion. If you have heard of Mahabharata, the Indian epic, the great Indian epic, there was a character Shakuni. He was caught in illusion of Maya, I should call it, to destroy Kauravas because Bhisham Pitama got his sister married to a blind king. To know the mystery, to truth, one has to pause or think which side my life is moving. Always, before you take any decision, you fall into illusion. See which side your life is taking. Is it on truth or illusion? Then only one can open the true search or can digest knowledge. Otherwise, he will only count how many books or shloks or how many uploads he has heard. Many times under ego and will be away from the reach of the true knowledge. If you are under an ego, it will create you, will take you away from the true knowledge. It is said, wise man's story, each person has two wolves. One is a good wolf and other is a bad wolf. The good wolf, when it wakes up, we respect everyone. We bow down to the elders. We believe in God and we have the ability to forgive and we do not depend on our past. But when a bad wolf awakes, what happens? Jealousy, I, me, mine, jealousy, and talking negative about every person. We are under influence of greed, job greed, or the opposite sex greed. Then if our things are not met properly, our desire is not met, we go under anger and then we follow that. Now the greed becomes more to get that illusion or get that particular thing for me. Example, if somebody has fought with you or has said something to you, instead of hearing it politely and in a cool mind, you lost your temper. And then you had the decision in your heart or in your mind that I will show him the lesson who has done this. And then what happens? Then your ego, the great, takes place. And just to fulfill your ego, you might do such a harm that you land into a jail. So this is the thing, we must know what we are up to. There one guy asked, which wolf win? The wise man said, to whom we feed, more wins in us. If you feed your good wolf will always make you successful and motivation will be there for you for success. And if you feed a bad wolf, it will always keep you in a negative motivation, negative activities, and finally you may land in high depression. It's a fact that whatever you do with the motivation, do with fullness. You will enjoy the life more than anything else. Well, friends, I meet you tomorrow, and we'll upload another motivation story or motivation knowledge, how to be happy in life and motivated for a successful life, to lead a successful life. And I take leave of you. Goodbye. Jai Shri Krishna. Have a nice day.